Izzy, is it your birthday?
Is he doing sit in your bum? Yeah. Look, Izzy.
What's that?
Your present.
Izzy, what's that?
Present.
Who's that for?
Present.
Who's it for?
Santa. Present. Present. Do you want to open
Whoa!
the big one? Izzy, do you
Charlie.
want to open the big one? Yeah, I just got the bed.
Let Izzy do it now. What you got is?
What do you want to open, Izzy?
Izzy, they're your presents.
What's this
For Izzy.
big one here, Izzy? Do you want to open the special one? Yeah.
And that's off you, Charlie.
Izzy, it's off me.
Well, give it to Izzy then.
Whoa! Who's that? Lucky girl.
Izzy, can I do it because I bought it?
Yay! What else you got then?
Do you want to open the big one, Izzy? Yeah. You ready? Rip. Okay. I just put her here, okay, Izzy?
Come on, Izzy, open up then.
Do you want to open this one? Yeah. Okay, I rip a little bit open. Yeah. Go, rip. Izzy. Do this. Go like that, Izzy. Like that. What do you have, Izzy? I'm doing the hard bit.
What's that is?
Let me...
Izzy, what's that? Uh-oh.
What is it?
What's that?
What is it? What's that then? You gonna go on there?
Izzy, sit on it.
Cool.
Oh, it's a bit too high.
It's a bit high. I can fix it.
Yeah, you just go push. Like that.
Wow.
Let's see, Annie's.
Do you want to open the big massive one?
Charlie, you don't know.
Uh,
Oh, wow! Should we get you off for a minute?
yeah.
Get off.
A bit big. I'll fix it now. What else you got then?
Oh, do you want to open this one? Or no, let me take the card off. Izzy, do you want to open the card first?
You gonna open the present?
This one, Izzy. There. Open it. It's open it, go right. Rip.
That's our Bumpy and Bumpy John.
Look at his head. Now what did Bumpy get me and Bumpy John?
Let's have a look what you've had off Bumpy then.
Bumpy John.
More Bumpy. Well then, you can help me open it.
Let me have a try in your bag.
Oh wow, should we have
It's
a
like
look?
my size though. Mum, it's my
Wow,
kind
look at
of
them.
size.
They're pretty.
Mum,
What?
this is my kind of size, but listen.
I think these might be like these, Izzy.
Izzy, what do you want to open? This lovely one?
Yeah?
Izzy, put your trousers up. Look. What's that say?
Born to sparkle.
Oh.
Izzy?
Take the Izzy, take the present out. Of
Izzy.
the box.
Oh, Izzy, in charge of all these tops. That's it.
Izzy, happy birthday.
I'm trying to get this out. She has Peppa Pig. I knew
Wow. Cool. Who's that is?
she got this.
Peppa Pig, is it? Yay!
Because Bumpy told me.
All right. Cool.
Oh, look who's... Oh, money.
What?
Wow, very lucky.
Put it in my money, I'll look after it.
No, it's okay.
Izzy, do you want to open the big
I go back to Tony and Stana.
Oh, lucky girl.
Like me. Like me.
Charlie.
Izzy, do you want to open this one?
Charlie.
Let me lick.
Turn it round.
Bye. Wow. Izzy, do you want to open it? Do you want to open it?